Hi guys, today I want to talk about forex pairs that you should be looking at. I said looking at because I am not saying you should trade these particular pairs, but you should really look at these pairs if you are looking for forex pairs that move. You probably have experienced it where you place a trade and you have to wait a very long time before you start seeing any meaningful movement or meaningful profit. With these forex pairs, I promise you, when they decide to move, they really move. Sometimes they are not doing anything. Sometimes they are just waiting. But when they take off, guys, they really take off. So if you are looking to make those fast pips, those quick profits, you're looking for movement, you should be looking at GBP pairs. If forex pairs were cars, GBP pairs would be your fast cars. I'm not recommending, I'm not saying which brand, but there will be your supercars. When GBP pairs decide we are taking off, they move. When they decide to give you money, when they decide to give you those pips, I promise you, the GBP pairs, those ones, they move. Then there are exotics. Most people, when we are taught forex or when we start forex trading, we tend to focus mainly on the forex majors and their crosses, and we forget about the exotics. If you are looking for movement, if you are looking for forex pairs to squeeze, then I think you should also look at the exotics. Moves. When these things decide to move, they take off. So we are quickly going to go onto the charts and see what you can expect when these forex pairs decide to move. They can give you over 100, over 150, over 200 pips with just a few candles. So let's look at some of these pairs. We'll start with GBP USD. I think it doesn't move as much as the other GBP pairs, but it also does move. For example, here we've got 176 pips with just 38 candles, or 187 pips with just 39 candles. When it decides I'm taking off, it takes off. And if you are on the good side of this trade, you really can milk it. You really can milk it. Your JBP Swiss franc. Guys, look at this. 9 candles, you get 160 pips. 9 candles, guys. In just 9 candles, when it decided I'm taking off, 9 candles, you get 160 pips. When it decides not to move, well, 80 pips, 25 from 25 candles. But when it decides I'm taking off, you better be ready. GBP JPY, guys, many traders love this one. GBP JPY, 12 candles, guys, 13 candles, you get 144 pips. Get in, get out. Get in, get those pips, get out. Over 140 for 13 candles, just 13 candles. You make your target. GBP Audi. Here 13 candles, you get over 184 pips. Guys, it decides I'm taking off. You better be ready. When it decides I'm going, be ready. Then GBP CAD, 10 candles, 136 pips. Just 10 candles. With just 10 candles. I'm on the hourly chart, guys. I'm on the hourly chart. So do your math. I'm on the hourly chart. Do your math. Here we have got 13 candles, 221 pips. GBP NZD, that's a favorite with traders. GBP NZD, over 221 pips with just 13 candles, guys. When it decides I'm taking off. USD half, guys. You can leave a comment. I don't know what that means. In the comments below, I'll look for it. 186 pips with just 11 candles. When it decides I'm taking off, you make those quick pips. Those quick pips. Then USD SEC. These are exotics. We are now on the exotics. 6 candles, 746 pips. 6 candles, 700. Of course, these exotics, they are priced differently, so bear that in mind. Then USD DKK, leave your comment in the comments box. I don't know what DKK means. 735 pips for 43 candles. Well, it's kind of slow. It gives you that slow money when it fell down there, but you make your pips. Then we are looking at USD NOK, another exotic, 1,768 on 63 candles. You better be ready when these pairs decide we are taking off. Now we are on USD PLN, another exotic, 6 candles, guys, over 160 pips. Just 6 candles. When it decided I'm moving, 6 candles, you got 100, over 160 pips, guys. You better be ready when these pairs are moving, guys. Then we come to USD versus Turkish Lira. 289 pips for 8 candles, guys. When it decided we're taking off, over nearly 290 in just 8 candles, guys. 9 candles, they gave you 1,445 pips on the Mexican peso. It's a favorite, guys. The Lira, the peso, traders love this one. But you should be knowing what you're doing. Just 9 candles when it decided we are taking off, over 1,400 pips. Again, note the exotics are priced kind of differently. Then 190 pips from 13 candles, that's USDs. It's another favorite with traders. When it decided I'm falling, yeah, now stopping it. Then we come to another favorite. It's a standard, it's gold. From 74 candles, you can tell it's an ish, but it moves. 11 candles, 221 pips. 221 pips from 11 candles. So these pairs, guys, they move. When they decide to move, they move. So if you want to make quick money, trade these pairs. It's just some of the pairs that I've observed with my broker that they really move. But before you get into these pairs, guys, because they move, when they decide to move, they move. So it's easy that if you don't know what you're doing, you can easily get caught on the wrong side of the trades. So when they move fast and you are on the wrong side of the trades, you do the math. Accounts get blown. That's what they do. That's why people tend to stay away from them. If you don't have a good strategy, if you don't know what you're doing, and you're not aware of what's happening, like for now GBP, there's Brexit, my suggestion is probably go for those other pairs. There are many other pairs that you can trade. They don't move as fast, but they do move. I hope this helps you. If you want to get in quick into the market, squeeze those pips, grab those pips and run. Go for your GBP pairs and screen your exotics. I think what's important is you have a good strategy in place, because if you get caught on the wrong side of the trade, you are done for. When they start moving, if you're on the wrong side of the trade, you are done. Leave a comment below and tell me what are your favorite pairs. Until next time.